And okay. Okay, this is the demo of aerOS Trust Manager. In this demo, we will illustrate how various events impact the trust score of infrastructure element. In the terminal, we'll see the aerOS portal, and we will track the trust score of node 0 infrastructure element, say, of the aerOS. In the top left terminal is the attacker's terminal, where we will perform an attack. And finally, in the bottom terminal, we will use that terminal to get some logs from the Trust Manager. So I will start the attack, and I pass floor to John to present what the self-security do.
Yeah, thank you. So the self-security is monitoring the interface of all the nodes that are installed in the domain. So in this case, we are attacking the node 0. So the self-security component will detect the nmap attack that we are launching. And when this attack is detected, it will generate an alert that is sent in almost real time to the Trust Manager.
Here we can see the alert generated for node 0 from self-security, and here is the block ID. So Nacho, if we are going to the IOTA and paste.
Yes, we can see here the interface of IOTA that it's installed in every infrastructure element of the continuum as part of a tangle. So as we have envisaged the scenario, every time that the trust score of a certain node is reduced, which means it's less trusted or less trustworthy, a block in this tangle is introduced. This is done in order to ensure the immutability of when a node loses its credibility or reduces its trust score. And as we can see here, the block that is provided in the notification from the self-security is observable with that same value of the trust score in the dashboard of IOTA. And this is integrated in all the continuum. Back to you, Yorgos.
Okay, and now we will demonstrate the self-healing alert. So Alexis, I pass the floor to you what the self-healing does, and we will just waiting for the alerts to be generated.
Yes, thank you, George. So self-healing module is running and monitoring parts of the system, both at the hardware and software level, based on specific scenarios, and detecting failures or abnormal states of them for recovery. So when self-healing module detects an abnormal state or an outlier value, is sending an alert JSON message to Trust Manager component to affect and decrease the trust algorithm.
We just receive an alert. So if we can, if we reset we see the decrease of the trust score from the node 0. Again, we have the block ID. It's not correct again, so I don't say that. We can move it. It's that block ID. And if we are going here, we see again it's the same score as in the portal.